it maxaa ugu dambeeya t and next one waxay ku bilaamatay is maxaa ku xiga is ay ku bilaamatay this is what a consonant and this is a vowel. So what is going to happen is we're going to link them together. For example, it's instead of saying it is, you can say what? It's. Hey, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mohamed Bashe. Welcome to Clam College Hargeisa with another live lesson. Oh, I dropped my pen. Dropped معناه محي مركو قلنكو كادو. Okay? So here we have a live lesson today. وحن لنا وحلو يقانا 10 live Today we are going to look at pronunciation. وحن سليقنا دوقاقا. How can you sound more like a native? بس إذا بدو قولوا دوان كرسا ودقن سكدي كرويه. هرتو عندنا وحنا ما يدرن لكن ولا برتا. Okay? So pronunciation دوقين إيجنا especially linking sounds. How can you link a word to another one? Okay? حبكي بدو جون قرين كرتا لبا كلمة دود. Okay? أو تسبوح حري كرسا. So we have pronunciation today. And our pronunciation class is all about linking sounds. hababka dhawaaqyada la isku xidho ayuu ku saabsan yahay. So live lesson baan ku jirnaa. If you're new to our class or our page, make sure inshallah bindillah kareem to follow us and also share the video with your friends. It's a very important lesson and wax badan baad ka faa'iideysaa. And let me know in the comments your names and where you're watching from. xagad wax ka daawanaysaan iyo magacyadiina inshallah comments-ka igu la soo wadaag inshallah bindillah kareem. What are you waiting for? What's your name and where are you watching from? Commenting kusoo qor inshallah and like saar inshallah video. So let's look at it and egno. First of all, in the English alphabet we have what? 26 letters. 26 letters. لح لبعض حرف بين وجرا. محو كلا بحان vowel and also consonants. Vowel اسكوا كوي دواقة يشغل كسميني وشغل كلو يقانو شيبنياشنا و consonants وكوي شبت high arms now. So consonant, here we have consonant. Consonant بحاجة وجرا. And also here we have vowel. Okay? Are often linked. 10 كلمة انت سوكابليا. Consonant كمركو كلمة دو كودا ماتو شيبانه. أي كلمة لبعضنا كبلامة vowel are often linked. بدنا والسكو حرا. Okay? والسكو حرا. So for example, let's say our first word كلمة دي نوجه رسين كهالي نوحي كودا ماتي. Let's say it. It maxaa ugu dambeeya t and next one waxay ku bilaamatay is maxaa ku xiga is ay ku bilaamatay this is what a consonant and this is a vowel. So what is going to happen is we're going to link them together. For example, it's instead of saying it is, you can say what? It's. And let's say on. It waxay ku dhamaato waxa loo yaqaan waa consonant. dhawaqa iyo codka bixinaysa waa consonant. Next one waxay ku bilaamatay vowel. Waan isku xiraya. What is going to happen? Link. Isku xiris. It is bay ahayd. So what I'm going to say is it's. Okay. Next one waxay tani ku dhamaatay consonant. And this one starts with a vowel. So what is going to happen? Let me know in the comments. Link. We join them together. Okay? Waan isku xirayna. Like this way. It's on. حاجة أول واحد دي say it is on أو بلا energy. يمكن حدا يسأل it's on. You see that? Already a difference. بدر يمسى كلا دمبين إن واحد بدر يعني it is on. It's on. Okay? So here we have consonant sounds are often linked, okay, to the vowel sounds that follow them. kuwa raacaya xagga dambe ka raacaya du vowel yahay consonant kii uu ku dhamaaday uu ka dambana vowel noqdo. What is going to happen? We link. We're isku xirayna. Okay? For example, here we have examples. It's expensive baa qoran. So it's maxay ku dhamaatay c. Expensive maxay ku bilaabmaysaa vowel. So what is going to happen? We have to link, join them together. It's expensive. Okay. Next one we have take a left at First Street. So what is going to happen? This one Eden was silent. Okay. Can we samaynaysaa take waa taa dhawaaq oo samaysay laakiin iidan laguma dhawaaqayo caadiyan oo lama akhrinayo take lama dhahayo so ka'daas ugu dambeeya take waan isku xidhay markaa take left t bay ku dhamaanaysaa waa consonant and this one is a vowel so link take a left as first street take a left at first street t dani consonant bay ku dhamaanaysaa marka waan isku wada xidhaya link baa dhacaya next one the store is closed so store wuxuu ku dhamaanaya saan kuu sheegay artan eden it's almost like lama akhrinayo si toosa laakiin kanay saameynaysaa okay so stores closed the store is closed awal waxaad dhihi jirtay the store is closed now you have to say the store is closed different already you're British now next one can I help you so we learned a lesson and the lesson was about when the first word ends with a consonant and the next one starts with a vowel sound what's going to happen is we link them together so for example he can ends with a what consonant sound and the I starts with a vowel sound so what is going to happen we join them together like can I instead of saying can I help you can I take the trash can I talk to you can I see can I look at it can I talk to you can I isbedel ma dareemaysan already waxaan isku xidhayaa waxa kaliya weeyaan consonant soundka ayaan ku xidhayaa vowel soundka hadii kelmadeedu consonant ku dhamaato okay waxaan ku xidhayaa wax loo yaqaan vowelki I join them together and then they sound like a one word kelmad kaliya dhawaqoodu ay kaanayaan so adiga waxaan kaaga baahanay what I want you guys to do is basically first of all share the video with your friends and your family and also do not forget to like the video and give it a thumbs up also practice baan kaaga baahanay kelmada hore ay ku dhamaanayso waxa loo yaqaano consonant ta dambana ay ku bilaamayso vowel sound oo la isku xidhayo baan doonayaa inaad ii soo qorto insha Allah billahi karim in the comments and if you understood the lesson I would love to know inshallah billahi karim igu soo qor macallin we understood the lesson next lesson no good be hadana dhawaqa saasan ku baranayna marba one by one bay eegina inshallah billahi karim so let me know in the comments adba ma santin this was Mohamed Bashe talking to you assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh see you next time